guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's project, I'm going to get into showing you how to make 3 throw pillows out of 2 standard Walmart pillows and add some fabric for your patriotic decor. Hope you guys enjoy. So for this first pillow, you're going to need the 97-cent fat quarter fabric that I got from Walmart. And here I'm just measuring it out 18 inches by 18 inches. That's usually the standard size for a throw pillow. This white fabric is going to be my back of my first pillow, and you can also get these in plain colors from Walmart, and they're 97 cents a piece as well. So I just measured this one 18 by 18 and cut it out. So here you're seeing that I'm putting both right sides together for when we're ready to sew. Now I'm taking the standard pillow and marking it to 19 inches and cutting off the excess. The extra inch will allow us a little bit of leeway to roll under both of the edges when we sew this pillow together. The excess and put it aside for later. We'll be using this to make the third smaller pillow. Now we're going to take our pillow form and we're going to sew the edges closed. So I'm just rolling under the rough edges about 1/4 inch on each side, and I'm going to pin those first to make it easier when I run it through my sewing machine. Now, if you don't own a sewing machine, there's 2 other options you have. You can either hand sew this, or I've also seen people use hot glue to close their edges. That works just as well. I just like something that's a little bit more secure because I do like to wash my pillows from time to time, and I'm not sure if hot glue is going to hold in the wash. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking a small piece of thread, I'm bringing my 2 ends together, and I'm tying it off at the end. Next, what you're going to do is take your fabric with both ends facing each other, and you're just going to put your needle through the fabric and put it right back down below, almost like you're going in a line, and that's going to be your first stitch. And you're going to want to do this as straight as you can, all the way over all of the edges, and leave a small opening about 6 inches. If you're using this method, go ahead and close the pillow form with this as well. Or like I said, you can use hot glue if you prefer. If you're using the sewing machine method, you'll see me here taking the pins out as I'm holding my fabric pieces together while I run it through the machine. The 2 fabric pieces together and leaving about a 6-inch opening for the stuffing. Once I inserted the pillow form, I'm now rolling under my edges about 1/4 inch, and I'm going to sew that together. Or again, you can use your hand sewing or glue gun. that was left over from the 2 pillows that we cut. I'm just cleaning up the edges a little bit with my rotary cutter so that we can sew them together. Now I'm going to pin the 2 pieces together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn inside out both pieces, and then I'm going to take one of them and place it inside the other. Again, with this as well, you're going to want to sew all the way around the edges and leave about a 6-inch opening. Once you're done sewing or gluing together, you're going to then turn this right side out and begin to use your stuffing to place inside the pillow. You may have to end up manipulating the stuffing a little bit inside your pillow to get it to lay flat and to avoid some of the lumpiness in it. Once this was done, I took my pillow back over to the sewing machine and rolled the edges under 1/4 inch on each side and closed the opening. And this is the final product. 3 pillows that you can make for about $3.50 a piece. Later, I can also use these and make covers for them so that I can use them all year round. You guys enjoyed this easy DIY. If you like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, as well as checking out my previous video, and I'll see you next time.